Today's recipe is lemon poppy seed muffins. Okay, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So we have our flour and our baking powder, our baking soda, some salt, and some poppy seeds. And we're just going to stir that all together and incorporate that all. And we'll set that aside. Then we'll make the wet ingredients. So we're going to start with our butter that's at room temperature. And we're going to beat this until it is nice and fluffy and creamy. Do this on high speed. This is a great recipe for a nice breakfast or with a cup of coffee or tea, afternoon snack. We'll add our sugar and we'll beat that again until it's all incorporated. Make sure you scrape down the sides to get it all mixed together. Then we'll add our eggs. And our vanilla. And some lemon zest. And then we're going to add in some sour cream. You could use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream if you like. And we'll just mix this all together until it's all incorporated. And we'll set aside the mixer and we'll do the rest by hand. So now we're just going to add our lemon juice. We'll just fold that in. And then we'll add our flour mixture. And we'll stir that until it's all incorporated and we see no more flour. We'll set that aside and then we will get our muffin tin that has been sprayed. You could use liners as well. And we'll fill up the cups. This makes 12 good sized muffins. And then we will place this in our 425 degree oven for 5 minutes. Then we'll turn the temperature down to 350 degrees and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let this cool on a wire rack and then enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.